Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 trending Solana meme coins for the past 24 hours. We're going to start with Pepe at number 1, followed by Solana Summer, Pepe's Wifey, Jupiter, Zion Thomas, ZACK Morris, dogwifhat, Bitcoin BITZA, Gorilla in a fucking COUPE, and Neon. Let's get straight into it. Oh wait, first, how do you get into this page? Okay, you just go to deck screener, right? And then you pick out the chain here, Solana. So after you pick out Solana, look for trending, the tab at the top, click 24 hours. Ta-da! I think by the time you press this, right, it could be different from what I'm seeing. So yeah, this is how you do it. And there are plenty of opportunities over here. So anyway, let's get straight into it. Pepe Sol. Okay, I think this is fairly new. Pepe on Sol. Where's this? Okay, let's look at Solana. Reduce it. Yo, bro, what are you doing? This is already deck screener. So you just middle click your mouse, and after that, you will get Pepe. So anything for Pepe? Nope. Pepe is already done tremendously towards the upside. How many percent is this? Okay, we don't have it. From the very bottom to the very top. Yeah, it's ready. 500%, yo. 500% from the very bottom. Okay, let's drop down to the smaller time frames. Anything for us? No. Consolidation, up. Consolidation, up. Looks like a falling channel to me. Could be another up though. Could be another wave. But yeah, you want to be very, very careful about going on a trade for Pepe. Swift, Wifey, JUP, and Zion. Okay, let's look at Swift first. Swift. Oh, okay. So Swift has potential. Swift has a target over here at 7398. Right now we're at 7629. This is 0.007398. Right now we're at 0.0007582. And we are completing potentially, no guarantees in trading, potentially a symmetrical triangle. And from where we are to the target, it's about 900%, 900%. Again, by the time you see this video, it might have already started blasting off, or you will see that this has already failed and dropped lower. But as it stands, there is potential. So as I am watching it, we'll see how it goes. But I feel like if we could do something like this, that's it, we're out. But of course, if we hit lower and we form mountains, then obviously it's going to be lower. But we're hoping that it continues higher for Swift. Why? Because this is a very nice falling channel. Broke out. See this? Falling channel. When we rise very fast. When we fall in a very controlled manner. Slowly. Right? Rise very fast. Fall slowly. So yeah, we want to see speed up but slow down. Okay, if I were to make an entry for this, where would my entries be? My hope rate, if I were to get in here, would be to get in somewhere. Okay, let me see. Let me just do the flip here. Pull this up from bottom to the top. So it would probably be around. Okay, let me just do the background. Some lock skills. We remove 382. We're not interested in this. We're not interested in this. 618, yes. 1 yes. 1.61826. Nope, 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 nope. Just this, so that you don't get too distracted with things. Center, middle. Wait, hang on. Labels on the left. Okay. All right. All right. Font size 12. Okay, that's great. So 0.618 will be here. Wait, hang on. Let me just. Sorry about that. No prices. Yeah, okay. So 76 is here. See that? 76 is here. So this will be around 5,000, 0.000, 5,000. Right? The hope is that we sweep the lows over here. You see? Once you sweep the lows, then hopefully there should be some sort of a strong rally back towards the upside. And then a little bit of a consolidation, completing an ABCDE. That's it, we're out. So we'll see how it goes. We'll find out by the time this video comes out, right? The potential for Swift Sol. But of course, things can always go wrong. And meme coins is very, very dangerous. More likely than not, there are rocks left and right. So you want to be very, very careful about rushing in, right? You want to be very careful. You have to look at all the other details. But okay, we'll do that on another video. But the point is that Solana Summer, yeah, there could be something here. So there you go. Next one would be Wifey. So looking at Wifey, same thing. It does have potential over here, right? Again, very dangerous. Zip up, zip down. You lose everything, right? If you got in over here, you would have gotten wrecked. But anyway, there was a strong rally pushing the price higher, and now we are correcting lower, right? There's a descending triangle over here. So I suspect that this could be a very nice falling channel coming on, right? This is already 1, 2 waves, right? 3, 4, 5. That's the expectation. Again, the expectation is that we could potentially sweep the lows here. You see, I mean, of course, we could just sweep these lows and then we start reversing. But it depends on the situation. So if and when it happens, it could be where's this 1628? Oh, okay, probably in 3 hours time. So it'll be very quick even when it happens. So by the time this video is published, you might see things behaving differently, right? As in that we could be doing things like this as well to head higher. Again, we're still not entirely sure, and we're monitoring things carefully. And if the opportunity comes, then yeah, we'll be more than happy to put on a trade for Wifey. But as of now, it's still uncertain. So yeah, but we are aware of the potential for Wifey. Jupiter! Jupiter is a very good DEX. Normally on Radium, you will have a lot of errors when you're trying to swap in and out. But for Jupiter, yeah, it's the best, to be honest. Far better than Radium. So yeah, but anyway, for Jupiter, I feel like this looks like a rising channel to me though. Right, rising channels usually break lower. Right, there was a preceding trend which was bearish, and we're expecting potentially a subsequent bearish trend for Jupiter. If we manage to consolidate and break higher, then potentially Jupiter could be heading higher. But as of now, yeah, we don't really like what we see. But you know, you can argue that this was a symmetrical and we're out. We could be getting another symmetrical, right? Potentially, but yeah, if we do come back down, this could be a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, heading even lower. So it depends. If it's a strong rally, then things could turn bullishly for Jupiter. Next one will be Zion. What's it called? Zion Thomas. So for Zion Thomas, yeah, same thing. There could be a, can you see this? A consolidation coming in, right? It could be forming lower highs and higher lows. Very important that we don't take out these lows. Very important. And if you could just hang around here a little bit, then probably by, oh, okay, this is like in 1 hour's time. When I'm making this video, in about 1 hour's time, we will find out whether if this thing is going to be consolidating for a breakout, or if we're gonna be forming mountain ranges, a descending triangle to head lower. So we'll find out. But yeah, it looks very interesting. There could be a breakout coming on for Zion. So yeah, watch out for that potential. Next will be ZACK Morris. Yo, bro. ZACK Morris, dogwifhat, Bitcoin Pizza, Cogecoin, and Gorilla in a fucking COUPE. For ZACK Morris, okay, ZACK Morris is just out. Okay, if you look at the history of ZACK Morris, there was something like an ascending over here. You see that? Value 1, value 2, right on the resistance, breakout. Falling channel, again, breakout. Falling channel, breakout. Right. So yeah, ZACK Morris is looking pretty good, but we're kind of overbought. So I would preach caution about rushing into ZACK Morris at this point of time. So yeah, and moreover, there's already a bearish engulfing candlestick on the 1 hour. 1 hour is not as powerful, right? You want to see it on the daily at least. But yeah, again, be very, very careful though. We're very, very, very overbought, and the market cap's already at 92 million. So yeah, that's ZACK Morris for you. dogwifhat. So for WIF, okay, let's look at it over here. WIF against USDT. We'll look at it on Gate. So for WIF, there are two possibilities that WIF could end up with. First is, again, this entire thing already looks like a symmetrical. You see that? And symmetrical triangles usually break higher. There is the potential as well if we were to cut through, right? Just cut through everything. This could turn into a mountain range as we head lower. I don't think so though. I'm hopeful that this could turn into a symmetrical triangle as we break higher. Reason being because previously this was a wave 1, right? And then we got ourselves again a symmetrical. We break out for a wave 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're getting a 4. So more likely than not, a wave 5 is expected towards the upside. However, I wouldn't expect the wave 5 to be as much as a wave 3. Right? It's 2000%. If anything, I would assume that wave 5, it could be going close to $10, but yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes first though. We would love to see more information first before deciding on, you know, if we were to go long for WIF, we want to see more information first. But you know, meme coins are very volatile, so we'll be interested to take a trade for WIF. But yeah, we would love to have a little bit more tightening, I would say, for WIF, right? If you drop into the 4 hours, we kind of like what we see, to be honest. But yeah, a bit of a tightening would be awesome. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. WIF, where's BITZA? Look at this. This is a rug, right? Everybody's selling. Pam, gone. You lost everything. If you got in over here, it's gone. It's gone. So yeah, so it's very dangerous trading meme coins on Solana. COGE. Where's COGE? Yo, bro. COGE. Okay, same thing. There could be a squeeze coming on, but we still need to see a rally first. And after the rally, we still need to see the retrace. There must be a retracement. We don't get in when the rally is here. We get in after a retracement. Of course, you can get in a rally if you want to, but it is much safer to wait for a retracement. So now we are biding by our time and waiting to see whether if COGE is going to turn into a squeeze, right? A squeeze is basically lower highs and higher lows, right? Of course, things can always go wrong, right? And this turns into something else, but we're hopeful that it could turn into something bullish, something that we can recognize. Look at this mountain range. Look at this, right? Look at how dangerous. Mountains, 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 collapse. You see that? Do you see that? Even if we were to rally back up, right, for a wave B, let's say this whole thing is a wave A, up for a B, we still have to wait for the C to appear first, right? And I don't think this is it, right? 1, 2, 3. We're probably gonna get a 4 and a 5. So yeah, no. COUPE, no, no, no. So be very, very careful. I think we'll take a look at some other coins. Ooga, Neon, Kogi. Let's look at 5 more. PAMBI, and Slothana. What? Look at this scary stuff. Right. But hey, there's buying pressure coming in. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Anything for us to work with? 15 minutes. Yeah, again, noisy area. You see this? When we hit noisy area, a rally comes on. You see that? Magic. It's magic. Neon. Anything for Neon? Nope. Kogi. We just saw Kogi. PAMBI. Okay, so you look at PAMBI. PAMBI is severely overbought. Right? Super, super overbought. We're already up like, there you bro, 8,000x. 861,000%. So is this a go? Absolutely no go. Sloth? Anything was sloth? No, it's coming lower. No, it's not. So yeah, you can identify support areas though, where we could see potential rallies, right? A bounce. Noisy area here, noisy area here. So we could hit here. There could be a bounce. I suspect we could be heading towards the second noisy area and even drop lower, right? But the point being that sloth is not something that we'll be looking for trades on. So yeah, there you go. There you go. This is how you do it. Okay, hope you guys have a great Thursday. And if you have yet to check out the pin coins that we did yesterday, go check it out. See you in the next one. Have a great Thursday. Bye.